Did you know that by adding documentation strings to functions within your Python user app code, you can significantly improve the code readability? Documentation strings, or doc strings for short, are a way for you to explain what a function does, what the inputs are, and what the function returns. Not only does adding documentation strings help others understand what your functions are doing, but it can also help you when you revisit the code many months later. To add doc strings to your functions, simply open the user app editing interface and then click on Edit Code to open your favourite code editing software. In this case, I am using Visual Studio Code. Here I have my main function, which calls upon another function called calculate clay volume, and we go to this function and type 6 quotation marks. And in here we can type in what our function is doing. Some code editors have tools that can automate the generation of a docstring template, which helps speed up the documentation process. After completing your documentation string, you now have a description of what the function does and its associated inputs, which in turn improves the readability of your Python user app for yourself at a future date and for others who may be using your user app.